Hey MonkeyBoo. Hey guys, today we got MonkeyBoo and he's gonna try something he's never had before. A tomatillo. Or tomatilla, depending on where you're from. But you've never even had one of those, you don't know what's in it. It looks like a green tomato, don't it, Boo? You gonna try it? Smash it. Boo, it's not well. Well, Boo, I was gonna try a taste of it. I've never eaten one. Smash it up good. But you're gonna have to take a bite into it. Do it. Don't be scared. Get it, Boo. Let me see. Here, you try. What you think? He's like, that is a tasty tomatillo, kind of sour. Nice of you to share. What about this one? Can you unwrap that one? We gotta let Monkey Happy and Monkey Mila try some of this. Boo seems to really like it. Look, Boo's got his own plate. Boo! You gonna beat that one up too? Smash it. It's on my hands, hang on. Remember this, I don't want you to break the plate if you smash it. You like that juice? Mmm. So I don't like it on my hands. What does that taste like, Boo? It's like a plum texture, kind of. I thought it would be kind of like a green tomato. That's not it. It has like a, it's not really a sweet flavor. Definitely like a vegetable kind of flavor. I know somebody else has tried these. What is the flavor that you compare it to? That was too much. Why you have to cram it in there like that? That wasn't funny. You're silly. Eat your vegetables, he said. He's like, Mr. Vegetable Eater, always eat your vegetables. Eat it. Is that good stuff, Boo? Have to let Mila and Happy try it. You done really good. This has been fun, Boo. Everybody's gonna love this video. So, if you've never had one of these, you should go check one out. Yeah. But I think these are supposed to be cooked in stuff, maybe. Beat it up, Boo. Bust it. Good job. Whoa. Can you catch it? 1, 2, 3. Just do it again. 1, and 2, and 3. Good catch, Boo. Boo, you done really good. Can you got a kiss for me? Oh, you good boy. Somebody say thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Give me kisses.